Hose fitting for use with Super Klean mixers. Male NPT connection on one end and barbed connection on the other for attaching a hose to a female NPT opening. 300 series stainless steel for resistance to corrosion. 2-hose barb for strain relief and prevention of kinking. Suitable for use with hot and cold water, and steam. Hose fittings connect, control, change the direction of, and terminate the flow in piping and hose systems. They are made of brass, stainless steel, galvanized steel, and other materials that resist corrosion, pressure, and wear. Hose fittings have various types of connections, including threaded, barbed, push to connect, dry disconnect, and others including those based on internationally accepted specifications. Hose fittings are used in systems such as air compressors, automatic manufacturing operations, aircraft controls, and tire installation in industries including agriculture, mining, road construction, firefighting, and aviation. Super Klean manufactures spray nozzles, water mixer hose stations, hoses, and accessories. The company, founded in 1985 and headquartered in Burlingame, California, meets International Organization for Standardization, ISO, Standard 9000. Top review from the United States. Excellent build quality, very beefy. The barb end is super long, so it takes some effort to get a hose on it, but you can rest assured it will never be coming off. Always use hose clamps, no matter what, folks. Would certainly purchase again if a Meteor took out just the fitting and spared the rest of the station. Definitely a big improvement over the brass fittings that often come with spray down stations.